On 16th of September, Stevens School of Business conducted a career fair for financial engineering and financial analytics students. Stevens COPA committee shared key tips for students to format their resume to match the ATS standard. The 30-minute workshop helped a lot of students. And now we will be asking few students for their opinions and feedback on the workshop.
As our resume workshop went quite well, what were your key takeaways from this workshop? I would say there were plenty of them. I can't remember down all of them, but some of them, like they told us the do's and don'ts, or is it very specific using the actual keywords. It started with all these that word and the bullet point, the font, and how you should portray your stories, the relevant experience. Some of the tips were quite. So one more thing I would like to ask you, did you learn something new that you haven't already found online with regards to like how the resume should be, the formatting, or what you should include or what should be excluded?
Yeah, definitely. It did point out some extremely valuable insights into certain things that shouldn't be in the resume. And like early on my resume, I didn't have hyperlinks or anything as such, and I've built a portfolio which showcases all my analytical skills. And early on, when I had been in touch with COPA, and right now this did reaffirm that I could put that in and optimize my resume to the best, and let my recruiters know about my certain skills and analytical skills.
Okay, so now that we almost came to an end of the workshop, and Professor Flusko also gave his insights about how do you want to build a resume. Do you think you would like to share some sort of opinions or maybe some insights from your end as a student that we could include in our workshop and make it better, or maybe from a student's perspective, would you want to give your opinions on how this workshop went?
Well, this workshop went excellently, and it for an advice to incoming students or current students is first, as soon as possible, get in touch with COPA and your academic advisor so that you can start building a resume and know which kind of roles you want to cater your resume to and build it more efficiently over there. And any pointer for COPA is that already they have been like spamming us, as Loresco sir has said, that they've been bombarding us with emails. For students, as advice would be just pay attention to the emails and respond and book your earliest appointment possible. And to COPA message, please keep on bombarding us with these emails because they do help us out.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.